Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add Solana Network to MetaMask Wallet. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So just go to this page that says solflare.com and then just click to here that says MetaMask Snap. Just click here, and if you can see, this explore Solana with MetaMask snaps. So it's important to know that you have to have an account on MetaMask for clicking this. So then just click on get start. So now you can read here, enter Solana with MetaMask Snap. And you can see here, just continue. Solflare, your Solana companion. So just click here on continue and experience the full power of Solflare. Just continue, okay? And then stay secure with Solflare, just continue. Then if you can check here, it says that MetaMask is not detected because I don't have MetaMask here. So if you have it, just click here on detect the MetaMask. If you have it, the app or the account, just click here and you will detect Solflare will detect the MetaMask very easy. And then just click here and detect it. So it's easy to do it, as you can see. Well, that's the way to connect the Meta. So that's the way to connect our Solana network to MetaMask app. So it's very easy. I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.